Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 2022's high growth economies, and they might not be what you would expect. Some of them are standout winners. Guyana coming in at first place with a seriously impressive 57% growth from 2022. I mean, that's quite insane. There's no other country in the world that grew more than 10%. Iraq in second, Ireland in third, Kuwait in fourth, but 57%. Now, let's take a look at why that was. Okay, there has to be a reason, right? And there is. There's a a decent reason as to why that's happened, but it's interesting from an investment standpoint. I personally love to invest in frontier markets, and I do invest in multiple frontier markets. I invest in some markets that wouldn't even be classed as frontier. But Guyana is quite special in the fact that it has just struck a huge amount of oil. So Guyana, the world's fastest growing economy, plans to use its newfound oil and gas wealth to fund investments in other sectors that will reduce its dependence on hydrocarbons, its president said. The government wants to use the revenues from its massive offshore oil deposits to finance investments in mining, tourism, agriculture, and other sectors. So, that's the plan, right? Dig the oil, sell the oil, invest in tourism, mining, agriculture, etc. Just make the country a more prosperous and well-rounded country in general. So the IMF forecast Guyana's economy will grow 47% this year on the back of oil exploration, and the government forecast an output of 800,000 barrels per day by 2025. So Exxon found this oil. It was drilled in 2015 at first, and some projections show that the country will overtake Kuwait to become the world's largest per capita crude producer. Now that would be really good for the nation of Guyana. The remote South American nation, which borders Venezuela and Brazil, plans to use the influx of funds to build roads and infrastructure to open up other areas of the economy, including its gold, diamond, bauxite, and I don't know actually how to pronounce that word. Bauxite? Bozite? Maybe? Bozite? And copper mines, Ali said. The country also wants to protect its Amazonian rainforest. The thick jungles which cover most of its territory have the potential to generate more than 100 million per year in carbon credits. Well, that's good. Good for you. That should be something you do then. Protect the rainforest. Yes, so it borders Venezuela. See, this is my first time really knowing about Guyana. This is the first time I've ever really heard about the country. And the fact that it's grown 57% in a year has interested me. So I'm going to do further research. I'm going to see where or how I can invest in such thing. And I'm always trying to find the next high-growing economy. Currently, I'm investing in Uzbekistan. Around here, I guess, Uzbekistan, somewhere like that. Yeah, I think that's right. And investing in these markets are not for everybody, but I love investing in frontier markets and fast-growing economies, and I will continue to do that. So, everybody, thank you for watching. Do like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Guyana, 2022's highest growing economy. Who would have thought? Anyway, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends if you think they might enjoy this sort of content. Thanks for watching, bye bye.